I'm going to show you how I do posts like these real fast. Auto hashtagging, hashtag append, author attribution, and also image and URL shortening, which places your self-branded CTA on pages that you share in your social posts. To get RiteBoost, you need to go to RiteBoost and get the browser extension. Here I see it's been added to Chrome. Then I'm going to refresh. And here in the Hootsuite Publisher, I see something new. This is the RiteBoost Magic Wand, and next to it, all your enhance options. So usually what you'll do is just hit the wand and your URL shortening with your CTA, your emoji, auto hashtagging, all of this is done automatically. Your post is ready to go. So this can be done with image extraction. In this case, my enhance has extract image from URL as a default. So here I'll just pull in the image, and there we go. And if I send this now, here's how the post goes out. The hashtags, the emoji, the author attribution, image, and of course the URL shortening with my CTA. From RiteBoost, look into Writely for the URL shortening with CTA option. And you can use Writely Free, or Writely Pro allows for unlimited CTAs. They could be text, image, video, and full analytics. Then click on the RiteKit logo and check your enhance preset. So here I've renamed mine, and I want emoji, auto hashtagging. You have many options here, and you save that with your default CTA, which of course you can override at any time with your gear next to the enhance wand. I could choose other CTAs. I could change my enhance defaults. So that's RiteBoost in Hootsuite. Any RiteBoost subscription also comes with bulk creator automation dashboard, where you can pull in content from many different sources, CSV files, RSSs, even groups of RSSs with Feedly. And then your enhance is applied to content and sent to social profiles that you set. So this way you can select multiple posts and enhance them in bulk, and then decide how you're going to send them, single or multiple scheduling. So that's RiteBoost. You can explore other RiteKit products, Writely for URL shortening with CTA, and our own publishing service, RiteForge. And then there's of course RiteTag for hashtag suggestions for Instagram, Twitter, and all social networks with hashtags.